Today, I'm taking you on a car camping adventure with me and my wife. We're just doing a day tour from the campsite, and we're excited to show you how you can enjoy the great outdoors without spending a lot of money.
Hi! Hi, baby! Hi! Hi!
We took Marikina Infanta route to get here from Parañaque, and it took us around 2 hours to drive. The road was very nice, and I think you will be able to use your sedan or 4x2 to get here. Along the way, we passed by several supermarkets where we bought some supplies for our car camping, including ice cubes to keep our drinks and food cool during the hot day. To share our experience when we arrived at the campsite, we registered online through their website, thinking that we already had a reservation. However, when we arrived, we found out that our online registration was only for room accommodation booking. For car camping, it's first come, first serve. Since we arrived at 3:30 p.m., there were no available slots for us. But instead of being disappointed, we decided to explore campsite and found a great spot under shade of a tree. It was a good thing we did, as it turned out to be a peaceful and relaxing spot. This experience taught us a valuable lesson that it's always best to arrive early, especially if you're planning to camp. According to the campsite management, the best time to arrive is around 10 a.m. for car campers. So our tip for anyone planning to visit Viewscape Nature Park is to arrive early to secure a spot, especially during peak season and weekends.
Daddy, sabi mo, si Bella lang behave. Ito mo, napaka-behave. Hindi pa bumababa. Napakabait.
Ano siya, hindi niya po.
Napakabait.
Binaba ko yan.
Pa-coffee lang.
Kapi lang tayo dito.
Ayun na naman ako. Nagre-record na naman ako ng hindi ko napindot.
Pepper.
The day we visited, there were strong winds blowing across the campsite. We noticed that the main campsite was experiencing brunt of the winds, and many of the tents and camping gear were being blown around. Unfortunately, we found a great spot under the tree, which provided us with some protection from the wind. Our tent and camping gear were able to withstand the wind, and we didn't have any issues during our stay. This experience reminded us of the importance of choosing a good camping site, especially when dealing with unpredictable weather conditions. Finding a spot with some natural protection, such as tree or a rock formation, can make a big difference in ensuring a comfortable and safe camping experience. We want to share another tip for anyone planning to visit Viewscape. If you're looking for a quiet and peaceful camping experience or solo camp, this may not be the best place for you. During our stay, we noticed that there were a lot of campers in the area, which meant that there was a lot of noises during the night. So if you're looking for a quiet time or a solo camp, you may want to look for other options. But if you're looking for a social and lively camping experience, then Viewscape is a great option for you. In our case, we decided to stay until 9 p.m. and just have dinner before packing up and heading back home. This allowed us to enjoy the campsite during the day and avoid the noise and crowds during the night. However, on our way back home from the campsite, we encountered something that reminded us of the importance of safe driving. As we driving on the road, we noticed a crowd gathering on the side of the street. We slowed down and saw that there was a motorist accident that had just occurred. It was a pretty bad one with a couple of vehicles involved.
Ano nangyari?
We were shocked and saddened by what we saw. It reminded us that no matter how skilled we are at driving or how confident we feel behind the wheel, accidents can happen to anyone. It's important to always be alert and focused on the road to avoid situations like this. We wanted to take a moment to remind all of our viewers to be extra careful when driving. especially on roads that you're not familiar with. Make sure to follow the speed limit and keep a safe distance from other vehicles. Avoid distractions like using your phone or eating while driving. We're grateful that we were able to safely make it back home after our camping trip. But this experience really reminded us to always be cautious on the road.
Turn left. Then turn left. Turn left.
Hi, good evening. What is Starbucks at drop, please?
Caramel macchiato ko, tol lang, tol.
Caramel macchiato tall. Ice.
Butter
Ice. Then another caramel macchiato. 20.
Hot
Hot.
and for 25.
Hot.
Anything else?
Ayun lang.
Yun lang po. Alright, that's it. So, we have your order for you. How much?
Teka lang ah. Open ko ulit ah.
Thank you for watching our car camping vlog, and we hope you enjoyed coming along with us on our adventure. Remember to drive safely and be mindful of the road conditions, especially when driving in unfamiliar areas. So guys, see you in our next vlog.